Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And once you open it up, log in using your credentials or your biometrics. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your address, tap on the account icon at the top left corner. From this page, tap on Personal Details. And now you will be allowed to change your personal details. For security reasons, screen recordings and screenshots are not allowed of this form fill-up page. But within this page, you will be able to make changes to your name, your date of birth, your phone number, as well as your entire address. After typing in all of your address, you can tap on the Save button, which exists at the bottom section. And now your changes will be saved onto your profile right away. And your address has successfully been updated. And there you have it. That is how you can update or change your address on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.